Welcome to Storytelling with Jaya, your maternity community champion. And here with me today is Phoenix, who I always say, I probably said 10,000 times in total, don't go right up to the camera because the people can't see us. Anyway, why don't we get on with the hello song? Well, scrunch up next to me, shuffle up. Count me in, Phoenix.
1, 2, 3, go!
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. It's time to say hello. Okay, I'll move up. Hello, Jaya. Hello, Phoenix. Hello, everyone. It's time to say hello. Oh, hello guys, I woke up with a stiff neck this morning, so if you see me looking a bit robotic, that would be the reason why. Okay, so the book that Phoenix chose today is called, can you tell them the name of the book? Can you tell them the name of the book? Dogs. Dogs.
Dogs.
Do you know the phonics for this? The Dogs.
Dogs.
This is a cool book. It's quite short, but fun. So I'll try to show you the pictures as well. Dogs. Emily Gravitt. The reason why I really like this book is because inside you get to see a few different species of dogs, different types of dogs, different breeds, I think is the right word. Yeah, so you sit over here next to me and then I can show you and our buddies the pictures. Okay? There you are. You have a, let's see if I can read that, Scottish Terrier. You've got the crossbreed and the Ibethan Hound there. All right, so Phoenix, why don't you sit beside me and then we can position ourselves really well. And here you've got even more dogs. You've seen all of these before, haven't you, Phoenix?
Ma, I like this one, the big one.
Yeah, I know who your favourite is. Dogs. I love dogs.
I love dogs.
Big dogs and I love small dogs. Well done. I love stroppy dogs and I love soppy dogs. Want to sit back, Phoenix?
No.
So it's like opposites, isn't it? Stroppy and soppy. Do you know what this says? I love dogs that
bark all the time.
And dogs that don't. I love dogs that bark.
And don't.
And dogs that don't.
Don't.
Do you want to sit back, Phoenix? Don't make me feel sad now. Don't make me feel sad.
I like that dog.
You do?
And
okay.
that dog.
Let me just check in with you.
Dog.
Don't make me feel sad, okay, Phoenix? Just relax and let's enjoy the book together.
I like that.
I love dogs that play and dogs that won't. I'll show you guys the pictures now. So you have playful dogs and dogs that just don't like to play. I love, do you remember what this one says? I love
scruffy dogs.
Hairy dogs, almost, and bald dogs. Hairy, bald. See, they're doing opposites, aren't they? Opposites.
The dogs.
Yeah, the lighting's a bit funny today.
Why?
Keeps flickering. And, do you remember this one, Phoenix?
But why is like that?
Stripy dogs and spotty dogs.
But why is...
He's jumping up.
But why?
Jumping. Maybe he likes to jump. I showed you the picture. Why don't you sit back there?
No.
Do you remember this one? I love
slow dogs.
Good boy.
And fast dogs.
Yeah, I love slow dogs and
Fast
dogs. Slow and fast. Opposites. I'll show you the picture first and then I'll show them, yeah? Yes? How does that sound? Do you remember this one? What's this dog looking like? Scruffy and smart. See the picture? I'll show you
But why
first.
that smart?
Because she looks really glamorous and smart.
But why not the other dog?
I don't know. That one looks like it's been digging in the bin. Ah, do you remember this one? I love dogs that are
Nice.
and
Dogs that bite. Zapatillas.
well, that's exactly what he's doing. So it says, I love dogs that are good and dogs that are
Bad.
bad.
Bad, bad, bad.
Well done, Nene.
Bad, 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 bad.
But the dogs that I love best, let's see. Can you choose one, Phoenix? Oh, and what's your one? Your favourite doggy called? Do you remember his name? You have another book with them.
Yes.
Why don't you think about the name whilst I show our friends the picture of all of these dogs? You guys have a look and tell us which is your favourite dog out of all of these, if you can see.
I don't know the name.
That's okay, you don't have to pull the book, Nene. Can you see all of those dogs? Which are your which is your favourite? Begins with the Phoenix. Your favourite dog begins with the letter D. The
Dalmatian.
Yeah, well done.
Dalmatian. Super.
So the book said, but the dog that I love best, let's see, is any dog that
This one.
won't chase me. So have a look at that cool picture of these dogs running so fast. And who are they chasing?
The cat.
The cat.
I go super fast and I will win all the time.
Because you're Superman, right? No, you're Spider-Man, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So thank you.
didn't call me Spider-Man.
I did. I whispered it. And I just called you Spider-Man as well. I said that you were Spider-Man.
Yeah, I did.
So thank you guys for tuning in. Can't wait to read stories to you next week and do some parent and baby yoga. Stay tuned and comment below if there are any particular stories that we haven't yet read that you would like us to read. Yeah, and like, subscribe to our channel so that we can continue offering you content that you like and want to see. Take care.
Take care.
Goodbye,
Everyone. Goodbye,
everyone.
Goodbye, Pee-Pee.
Everyone.
Goodbye.
It's time to say
Bye.
goodbye.
Bye.